Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at a trade here that I made. If you notice right here, let me move my camera a little. I traded here on Pocket Options, and basically I want to teach y'all what they call the crossover trade strategy. Now if you'll notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in a row. But I am on demo, but I can also show this on live if needed. 534.96 is where we're at now. So we're going to try to see if we can get that up a little bit. So what I'll do is, first thing is, you want to use a 2 and a 5 moving average. And the reason I use those is because it gives you a much closer, more sniper type entry. Okay. As for the oscillators, I'm using the RSI, but on the settings, I'm using the 10. And in the stochastic oscillator, I'm using the 533. Now you can color these any way you want, whichever is easier for you. So basically what we look at, and I also use the Heikin Ashi candles. If you go up here to where candles are, you'll see right here, it says Heikin Ashi. Okay. Heikin Ashi candles give you a much better, smoother look. If we go to my trading view, we can actually see that right here. If we go to different, let's go to a different, say we go to USJPY. As you can notice, it's a lot cleaner. You can actually see the downs and the ups. Okay. All right. Now, what we look for when we're doing these trades is we want to look for the crossover of the 2 over the 5, which is the yellow line crosses the red line, whether it's going up or down. Now, in a trending market, if we're trending upward, we want to do only buy trades. If we're in a downtrend, then we only want to do sell trades. Right now, the market is in an uptrend. So we've got the pullback right here. Now it's starting to go back up. Now what I look for is the crossover. Got one there. On this candle right here is what you want to look for, that crossover. So this one right here is fixing to start because it has a doji candle. Doji candle gives you an indication that the market's fixing to go a different direction. If you look at your RSI, it's starting to bend downward, and the stochastic is also starting to go down. So this is a good indication. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this trade right here. And let me go here so you can see the progress of it. Now if you notice, it's starting that crossover. You always want to make sure you have a confirmation when you're doing a trade. You don't want to just jump in there just because you based it on this candle here. You want to look at your indicators. First indicator would be your crossover. Okay. Second indicator would be the RSI. Where is it going? It's heading towards the 50 line, which is this white line right here. And then the stochastic oscillator is going down also, and it's already passed in its 50 zone. Okay. And if we can see, we're in profit. We got a minute 43. Now I always do a 2-minute trade on a 3-minute chart. Now you can do this on a 5-minute. With a 2-minute trade, if you do a 15 minutes, you want to make sure you're doing at least a 3-minute trade. Because you want to give it time, like you see right now, you see how it's crossing right there. So what it's doing is it's pushing the price down. And if you'll notice, your other 2 oscillators here, they're doing the same thing. They're starting to go down. Now we got a minute 15. We're going to see if this trade wins. If you use the strategy that I'm showing you right now, and that you make sure that you see the cross, whichever direction. If you're in a downtrend market, then you want to see that right there. You see where it crossed on down, which means, and look here, this has dropped even more, and this has even dropped even more. It's past the 50, which is a very good indication. Now here's where we got in at right here. You can see it's pushed down. This strategy works if you take your time and utilize the tools that you've been given. The moving averages, the RSI, and the stochastic. If those 3 are in sync, then you should have no problem winning that trade. We got 24 seconds in this trade. As you can see, we're going straight down. I wanted to use the demo to kind of give you an idea. Now, if you can do this on demo in a consistent manner, let's say you do 25 trades and you only lose, say, 4 out of 25, then you're ready for live. because if you can win that many on demo, you'll have no problem with a live account. There we go, it was a win. It put us up to 562.56. There you go, folks. If you have any questions, just hit me down at the links down at the bottom. Hit me on the comments. Don't forget to hit and subscribe, because everything that you do helps me, and then I'm here to help you. All right, well, folks, you have a good night, great day, and God bless.